Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Torx mini fold hex key set. This is by the company Husky. Husky is known for making lots of different kinds of tools. I've always really liked the tools they make. They're always really strong, always durable, they always feel professional, and yeah, I actually get quite a few tools from them. You know, it even says right here, guaranteed forever. You know, this is a legit company, and I really dig them, and I love this little set, and that's kind of why I wanted to talk about it. Yeah, and hopefully get y'all interested too. So let's start with the actual like durability of this thing, because that's why I get a lot of the Husky tools. I feel like they really do, like, they last you forever. And it's a very tough little tool. So the keys, as you can see, are in here. These are made out of like an alloy steel, very strong. They don't bend or morph. I mean, these things are tough. Even like the thinner ones, you know, they still have this density and this thickness to them. You know, and I could put tons of pressure on this. And I mean, not that I'm going to be bending steel or anything, but if you're working in a place where, you know, you have to maybe screw something into the bottom of a table or whatever, or something into like a wall, and you feel like, oh my gosh, like I might, you know, accidentally bend these things, like you're not going to. They're very tough. I haven't had any issues with them stripping, losing shape, and I've used this thing forever. I mean, even the tag on here is strong. I mean, you know, it's like we bought this with this thing on and actually just never even took it off. And like, even with all it's been through like, you know, a move. It's been through just being in use for a while. We had a little workshop in our garage for a bit. We were building a lot of furniture, and this thing's been through it all, and it's still just holding up so well. It's just such a tough little tool. As for the actual design, so you have the chamfered edges on each of the keys. And this basically helps to guide them, I guess, better into the fastener. Thanks for, you know, when you're in a pinch, you need to use, just trying to use it quickly. That's the process, especially if you're, you know, trying to, you know, screw in a bunch of little pieces and do it really quickly. It's not like every one is just kind of a hassle, which, you know, it can be sometimes. So that's really nice. Yeah, and then basically you have it's like a plastic rubber casing that's around these, and that's pretty much the holder. So that's what keeps all the keys together in here. As you can see, you have 3 of the big keys on this side and 5 of the small ones. They each go down in diameter slightly as you go along. You really have everything for every size. But yeah, then they all lay in this like little rubber plasticky holder. It's really nice because a lot of my tools are scattered just everywhere, you know, which is, I guess, maybe on me. Like, I need to come up with a better system, but this is really nice because, you know, you always know, like, okay, like if I need a hex key, it's just boom, everything's right here. You know, it's like I don't need to look around or search for, oh my gosh, like here's my set, but I'm missing a certain size. It's like, no, they're all together. They're all right here, which is like the greatest thing about this. It's just very portable as well. You know, if you have like a toolbox or something, you can easily throw it in here. I used to, especially when we were getting furniture a lot, I was getting furniture and redesigning it and stuff, so I would carry this around in my car. Because if I would get places and pick up furniture from people, I could easily, you know, had a lot of these that had the hex key, which a lot of furniture seems to have. It easily, you know, just take it apart right there. And it was just nice being able to like throw this in my glove compartment. So very portable, and it's also easy to grip when you're using it. So I'll pull one of these up and kind of like give you a little idea of how I kind of use it. So you can basically just stick one of these up, you know, with a tag, and then yeah, just use it like that. And so you're basically like, this is like the grip end. It's nice because it's rubber, it's comfortable, and you can just screw right there. Keep it like this, even at like a right angle, and do it like that. So that's great about it too, is like you can utilize it at any angle, which makes it great for harder to reach spots, harder to reach screws and things like that. Yeah, overall it's really nice. Highly recommend this for anybody who needs to get a set of hex keys. I mean, I see them everywhere nowadays, and I feel like it's very necessary to have keys to actually unscrew and screw them in. So this is such a good set, and it will just last you forever. This is the only one you'll really ever need to buy. I definitely believe that. Yeah, again, this is the the Husky 8-piece folding Torx set. Yeah, get into it. Take it easy.